Assalamualaikum students, welcome to Dhaka Secondary School online classes. Today our topic is punctuation. In this video we will learn all about punctuation, its kinds, rules and their usage in sentences. There are 14 kinds of punctuation in English language. They are the period, question mark, exclamation point, comma, semicolon, colon, dash, hyphen, parentheses, brackets, braces, apostrophe, quotation marks and ellipses. But we should first try to understand that what is punctuation. Well students, punctuation is used to create sense, clarity and stress in sentence. You use punctuation marks to structure and organize your writing. Here are some commonly used punctuation marks used in English language, which you can see in the slide. Now this is a very important slide with punctuation marks, the usage and the sentences to clear the concept. That is how they can be used. First one is the full stop, which is used to end a sentence. That is, Mary rode her bike to the playground. After the playground, if you can see, there is a full stop to end the sentence. Then we have comma. It separates items in a list. I like reading books, listening to music and studying English. So the question mark is used to separate the items, that is, or the task, that is reading books, listening to music and studying English. Then it is also used to show a break in a sentence. That is, as the day came to an end, the firefighters put out the last spark. So as the day came to an end, after that end we can see there is a comma, right, to separate the other sentence, that is the firefighters put out the last spark. Then we have question mark, that is to ask a question. For example, where are you from? Exclamation mark is used to emphasize a strong feeling. Wow, today has been awesome. So after wow you can see an exclamation mark to emphasize a strong feeling that today was an awesome day. Then here are some more punctuation. You can see we have got colon, which introduces a list. You have two choices. After choices, if you can see, there is a colon mark, that is, finish the work today or lose the contract. Then the other one is quotation marks, that is, it shows what is said by the speaker. For example, I work in Italy, said Jimmy. So I work in Italy is being within the quotation marks, which is the quotation or the sentence which the speaker or Jimmy has said. Then we have got apostrophe, which shows ownership. That is, Scene's performance at school has greatly improved. So Scene's performance after end you can see the apostrophe s, which shows the performance of Scene. So it shows the ownership. Another sense, apostrophe can also be used to mention the missing letters, that is contractions. The second sentence shows they are going to the movies tonight. So you can see that is after they we have got apostrophe and then R and E. So the alphabet A is missing here. Then the next quotation mark is hyphen, which join words together. My 8-year-old boy loves reading. So 8 and year is been joined with hyphen. Then we have got brackets. It set off less important details. That is, the two brothers. Then we have got brackets, Richard and Scene. There is a name of the two brothers which was less important, but it has been mentioned in the sentence. Were learning how to play guitar. Then we have got another one, that is ellipsis. It shows that parts of sentences are left out. That is to be continued, and we have got 3 dots if you can see in the slide. So that's all about the punctuations. Hope you have understood. Thanks for watching.